Hello sir, I am Gulab Patel from TuFee app. Here we will learn how to add fees of student and how to check pending fees of a single student. We have already learned how to add student, view student profile, and mark attendances. Now we are going to check fee method of TuFee app. Come to dashboard. Here you will find fees text with pen icon. Click on that icon and app will show you three options. The first is add new fee. The second is due fees. The third is collected fees. Now we are going to add new fee for student, so click on add new fee. Here app will show your all student list. You can search by name and also can filter by batch. Now select any student from list which you want to add fee. On the top, app will show you some basic information about student, like fee type and fee amount. And also paid fees list if available. Now click on the plus icon that appears on top of the screen. Clicking add icon app will open a new add fee dialog. First set the payment date. Then select start date of fee and then select end date of fee. Then set paid amount. Then set discount if applicable. Then set payment mode like cash, Google Pay, or check. Then set the remark if any. And then click on add fee. If you don't want to add fee then click on cancel or outside of add fee dialog. After adding a new fee click on that fee again. Now send fee receipt button will appear. Click on that and app will ask you three options. The first is WhatsApp. The second is no, and last is SMS. Choose any one of them and app will do further process. Now come to dashboard again. Now we will check pending fees and collected fees from our students. Click on fee icon again and app will ask you three options. Click on due fees. Here app will count you dues and show you list. Click on any due fee item and app will ask you three options. The first is WhatsApp. The second is add fee. And last is SMS. Choose any of them as per your need. By clicking on WhatsApp app will generate pending fee reminder slip for students and click on share icon and app will share this slip to student directly. Like I have done here. Here on top, you have two icons SMS and WhatsApp. You can click them if you want to send all due fee student SMS. Now let's check the collected fees function. When we click on the collected fee option app will show your collected fees arranged by payment date. With some basic data about fee payment. Like student name, fee type, fee amount, paid fee amount, start date of fee and end date of fee. You can send the fee receipt from here also by clicking on fee item. So, this is all about fee method in TuFee app. I can expect that now you all are understand about fee function. If you have any further query about fee then you can always contact me in setting and then contact developer button. So, now bye bye, see you again. Good night, good morning. Whichever time you're watching this. Thank you for watching this video.